Hello, let's take a look at this horse racing duels puzzle from CodingGame. So let's read through it here first. What will I learn? This puzzle shows that sometimes the simplest solution is not performant enough. You'll also learn to handle large arrays and gain experience with their processing time. And there's a couple of links here for some external resources. This puzzle can be solved using the following concepts. Practice using these concepts and improve your skills. Loops. In this problem, you have to find two numbers that are closest to each other among a list of numbers. The list might be really large and force you to search for the best possible algorithmic complexity for your solution. The story is to make a race between two horses interesting, you'll have to find the horses with the closest strength. All right, let's take a look at this problem. Let's click solve it here. All right, so we got our sample code here, and here's our goal. Casablanca's Hippodrome is organizing a new type of horse racing, duels. During a duel, only two horses will participate in the race. In order for the race to be interesting, it is necessary to try to select two horses with similar strength. Write a program which, using a given number of strengths, identifies the two closest strengths and shows their difference with an integer, which is greater than or equal to 0. So like all the games here at CodingGame, we're going to be receiving all input from standard in. In line 1, we're going to get the number of horses. And then the next n lines, right, for each number of horse, we'll get a line that will show the strength of the horse. And that strength will be an integer. So we need to output the difference d between the two closest strengths. And d is an integer greater than or equal to 0. So we know that the number of horses will be between 1 and, what is that, 100,000. So the number of horses will be between 1 and 100,000. And the strengths of those horses will be between 1 and, gosh, how many is this? 10 million? Between 0 and 10 million. So if we have 4 horses and they are of strengths 3, 5, 8, and 9, we would output 1 because the horses closest in strength are 8 and 9, and that difference is 1. All right, so that's all the information we have to go on. We have a sample solution, but I'll get into that in the next video.